In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple keywords in Yoast SEO. If you're looking to optimize your content for search engines efficiently, using multiple keywords is a fundamental strategy to improve visibility and reach. So, let's dive into the process to ensure your content captures the attention of your target audience. First things first, make sure that Yoast SEO Premium is installed and active on your WordPress site. The premium version of Yoast SEO enables you to add multiple key phrases, which is a key feature for achieving well-rounded search engine optimization. Without the premium version, you'd be limited to just one key phrase, which isn't as robust for complex content marketing strategies. Once you have verified that Yoast SEO Premium is up and running, head over to the post or page that you intend to optimize. You can start by editing this content directly in WordPress by navigating to the dashboard and selecting the specific post or page you want to work on. Now, as you are in the edit view of your post or page, try to spot the Yoast SEO meta box. This meta box is your central hub for all things SEO related to that content piece. Depending on your WordPress setup, this may appear below the text editor or along the sidebar, so keep an eye out for where it pops up on your screen. With the meta box visible, your first task is to enter the primary focus key phrase for your content. This key phrase is the main keyword or phrase you want your content to rank for, so choose wisely based on research and relevance to your topic. After you've entered your primary key phrase, you'll notice an option labeled Add Related Key Phrase. This feature allows you to diversify and strengthen your SEO strategy by adding up to 4 additional key phrases. In total, this means you can optimize for 5 key phrases per page. It's a powerful feature that allows you to cover various angles of your content's subject, potentially attracting a broader audience. As you enter these related key phrases, Yoast SEO promptly performs an analysis for each one. This feedback is incredibly valuable as it guides you on the efficacy of your key phrase usage and placement within the text. Yoast will examine how effectively you've woven these key phrases into your content and provide actionable feedback to improve your SEO results. By paying close attention to this feedback and making the recommended adjustments, you ensure your content is not only well written, but also primed for visibility on search engines. Remember, optimizing your content with multiple key phrases increases your chances of reaching a varied audience by capturing different search queries related to your topic. And there you have it. Just follow these straightforward steps to leverage the full potential of multiple keywords in Yoast SEO, enhancing your content's discoverability and performance online.